Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Chona Karamay. I am 34 years old. I'm married. I have two kids. The youngest is 2 years old and the eldest is 12 years old. And I'm college level undergraduate taking up by bachelor secondary education.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 5 brothers, 2 sisters, and I am second in the family.
Do you have any working experience before as a housemaid?
Yes, I have experience as a housemaid in Kuwait in 7 years.
Only one employer?
Yes, I only one employer.
What are your job duties?
My main duties there is to taking care of children, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, and cleaning the house.
What are the ages of the children?
The youngest is the 2 years old. The second one is 1 year old and the newborn.
Okay. So, in Hong Kong, if there's a newborn baby, are you willing to take care?
Yes, I will willing to take care.
If the newborn baby is crying, what will you do?
I will give him milk. I will check the diaper is wet. If it is wet, I will change the diaper and I will sing a song to stop her crying.
Okay. So, if the baby is taking a bath, do you know how to do it?
Yes, I will. I know how to do it.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare the lukewarm water, towel, and the soap. And also, I will help to the ears, to take care the eyes, nose, ears to spill the water.
Okay. So, if the baby or children is naughty, what will you do?
If the baby is the naughty, I will encourage them to play or to sing the alphabet songs. And also, I will touch them until
Do you have a big vision for them?
Yes, I have a big vision for the kids.
Okay. So, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I will come to Hong Kong to earn money to help my family's expenses financially.
Who will take care of your kids when you work in Hong Kong?
They will, my parents and husband to take care of my children when I'm in Hong Kong to work.
Okay. If the baby or children is sick in Hong Kong, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and also I will put the fever cool and also I will tell to the parents to bring the hospital to check up.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Okay. Do you have any allergy?
No.
So you eat everything, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song for the baby?
Yes, I can see.
Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you. Do you love cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
So can you rate yourself in cooking, which is good or excellent?
Excellent.
Okay. So do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Okay. So can you accept not take care of other person, assist them all their needs?
Yes.
Can you accept to clean the car without the extra pay?
Yes.
Can you accept if the employer will arrange you an any other day off? Sometimes if you got a day off, it will pay you.
Yes.
So when you work in Hong Kong, so if the employer requests you to cut your hair short before coming there, so are you willing?
Yes, I will.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, grateful, cheerful person, and I work under.
Okay.
pressure.
Okay, can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, I will finish my 2 years contract until my employers need me.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. Hoping your feedback. But,
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.